Houston out on the lake. Meteorologist Kimberly Newman joins me now. Now, Kimberly, the shift in the wind today could really have an impact on this algae bloom.
Yeah, absolutely. There's so many weather phenomena that we think about that have a direct impact. The amount of rain that we had early this season, the water temperature from the surface all the way down to the bottom, and of course the wind is a huge player in this as well. No surprise why we have seen those larger amounts out near Kelly's Island. This is today's most recent satellite imagery, and it does show that bright neon green and that water algae bloom out there right near the intake in Toledo. But a very unorganized wind right now, being driven forward by that cold front that Robert Shields has been describing all evening, is going to eventually change our wind in the right direction with that algae bloom in mind. So take a look at this. Our winds now expected to organize in more of a westerly flow, leading a lot of those algae pools away from the western basin. So the changing currents will take things from inward motion to a more outward motion. Keep an eye to the top there. We go from day 1 to day 2. Your Thursday and Friday forecasts with a strong westerly wind actually provide us with a little comfort, although we don't expect the algae to stop producing the microcystin. This overall flow does take it away from the Toledo intake. I'll have more details on how the water temperature impacts everything coming up in the next hour.